Unlocking the secret. How to clip into your bike pedals like a pro. Hello, and welcome to today's lesson. If you're new to cycling or looking to upgrade your riding experience, you've probably come across the term, clip into the pedals. But what does it really mean, and why is it important? Don't worry, we're here to break it down for you, step by step. Stay tuned as we explore the world of cycling and make you comfortable with clipping into your pedals confidently. Before we dive into the how-to, let's understand what clipping into the pedals actually means. In cycling, pedals that you can clip into with special shoes are called clipless pedals, a bit of a misnomer since you do clip into them. These pedals and the corresponding cleats attached to your cycling shoes create a secure connection between your foot and the bike. This system not only increases your pedaling efficiency but also ensures better control over your bicycle. To clip into your pedals, you'll need two main pieces of equipment. 1. Clipless pedals. These are special pedals designed to lock in with cycling shoes. They come in various types, catering to different riding styles and preferences. 2. Cycling shoes with cleats. The shoes should be compatible with your clipless pedals. The cleats, which attach to the bottom of your shoes, are the key to locking your foot onto the pedal. It's crucial to ensure that your shoes, cleats, and pedals are all compatible to avoid any mishaps or inefficiency in your pedaling. Clipping into your pedals might seem daunting at first, but with practice, it becomes second nature. Here's how you do it. 1. Start by standing over your bike. Ensure it's stable and you're comfortable. 2. Line up your cleat with the pedal. Place the ball of your foot over the pedal, with the cleat positioned to slot into the mechanism. 3. Apply downward pressure. Once aligned, push your foot down firmly until you hear a click sound. That's the sign you're successfully clipped in. 4. To unclip, simply twist your heel away from the bike. The motion is similar to squashing a bug with your foot's heel. This releases the cleat from the pedal. Practice clipping in and out while stationary, using a wall or a stationary object for support, before hitting the road. Practice makes perfect. Don't be discouraged if you don't get it right immediately. Practice clipping in and out in a safe, stationary position. Start with one side. Begin by clipping in one foot at a time, until you're comfortable. Adjust the tension. Most clipless pedals allow you to adjust the clipping tension. Start with a lower tension for easier clipping in and out. Congratulations! You're now ready to clip into your pedals like a pro. Remember, the key to mastering this skill is patience and practice. We hope this guide has been helpful, and you're feeling more confident about taking your cycling experience to the next level. Safe riding, and see you in the next video. Feel free to share your experiences or any questions you might have in the comments below. Happy cycling!